This is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2.
The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 is the one phone that we all have been waiting of late, and it's finally here, so let's take a better look at it. Hey everyone, I'm Vikramaditya from Techie Viki, and here we have the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 with top 3 favorite features which make it the perfect phone for me. Whoa, those are some looks, isn't it? It feels premium from all aspects, and believe me, it took me some time to realize that the back is plastic and not glass. It just feels gorgeous. It embraces the notch and feels really great. And by the way, the notch here is as small as it gets for all of you notch haters. The notch here houses the camera, notification LED and the sensors. The notch results in a huge 6.26-inch LCD panel, which is better than the Max Pro M1 from last year, which already was a great display. Really an upgrade, isn't it? The Gorilla Glass 6 is something that no one can ignore, and there is no competition against this right now. It gets all the basics right. The super quick fingerprint sensor, a headphone jack, and all the usual ports. The internals are awesome too, with Snapdragon 660, 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Those are some great value for money. I just love the performance, and take my word for it. On the software front, we have the stock Android 8.1 Oreo with some sweet extra features like the gestures and the face unlock. The cameras are great, be it daylight or low light. It just performs amazingly, and without any further suspense, here are some of the pics that we came back from the event. The video supports up to 4K and 1080p with EIS. The front camera is great too. The massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt fast charger couldn't be forgotten, and I had to extend my list to top 4 features. Well, those were my favorite features, and it is my perfect phone. Until next time, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to Techie Viki.